What is an Inca shaman? There's so many ways to describe a shaman according to where they come from and what other roles that they take. There's some shamans that in other countries create sounds of ceremonies and offerings. And there is another type of shamans, which is the Inca shaman in this situation, because this is what I know, that are mainly focused in the personal development of the human, which is the movement of the energy inside of the body of the person and the reflection in the outside world. Nowadays, we call it the DNA behavior. In the relationship of our personal behavior and the DNA level to what is as a reflection of what it is in the outside world, in the impact of the outside world, in who we are in the process of development, evolution of humanity. Now, the Inca shamans, because this was a very special branch of the shamans, they had a specific name, and that was called the Inca holders. Inca code holders were shamans that had the ability to channel their ancestors, and they were trained through channeling, hearing voices or seeing visions or experiencing things in their life they needed to experience to be able to understand the behavior of the genetics. So when it comes to the Inca way, most of our training is done, I'll just say 99% of our training in the knowledge that comes through us is through channeling. So we have to be very careful that when we channel, just because in the outside world there are different levels of frequency, we channel what is the high frequency of energy, and that could be light beings, it can be our ancestors in light, it can be plants, animals, or rocks, or whatever it gets to bring the information for us to be able to understand the technology of energy, the technology of feelings. So to us, feelings, love, trust, connection, acknowledgement are technology. So we don't really focus too much as romantic, as a romantic type of love, as much as the love as a technology that make us who we are. So this is what's the Inca Shaman about. And if you have more questions, you can go to our website, www.theincaway.com, and you can ask us more questions about how we process information. So anything that you need to have about, you need to know anything that you need to know about the work that we do.